Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing of the brand new iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch model. This has the now M4 processor in it. This one here is the base version, 256 gigabytes of storage for $1,000 though. So these things are not cheap, not that they ever were, but now they're really not cheap. So let's get on into this. I think the 13 inch is like 1,300 bucks here in the US. Insane how expensive these are, but look, you do get an actual charger with it. That is quite nice. Let's see, so this is a 20-watt charger. I don't think my camera will focus in on that, but this is a 20-watt charger. You do get the braided cord as well, and of course you get some paperwork and probably some stickers in there, of course. Get that out of the way. And go ahead and put this back. Alright, so looking at the back of this, looks like multiple cameras and the flash. Otherwise, it looks like every other iPad Pro. So this is nice and thin. I do believe the 13 inch is actually a bit thinner though. But man, this thing is thin though. And then now we have the camera up there instead of on the top. So we do have volume rocker. Looks to be a mic there. 2 of the 4 speakers, USB type C. Nothing on that side. And 2 more speakers and our power button. So, my apparently turned it on. Yeah, stay tuned. Been doing a bunch of videos on this. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.